Hello little friends, hope you are all doing good. In this video, we will be talking about abstract writing. I'll be letting you know what is an abstract, when do we write an abstract and how to write an abstract. Abstract is a short summary of a long text. The long text can be your research article, PhD thesis or your conference presentation. It is the essence of your research work. It entices the readers to delve deeper into your research work. What is the purpose of an abstract? Or when do we write an abstract? Abstracts are usually written when we submit research articles for scientific publications, or while writing a PhD thesis, or while registering a conference. So, it helps the reader decide whether to read or not to read the complete text. And in case of conferences, it helps the reviewers decide whether to accept or reject your presentation. It is a summary of your work which you want to present in the article or your presentation. It also helps the scholars to find their research articles. There are different types of abstracts: structured abstracts, unstructured abstract, even graphical abstract is there. Whatever the type of abstract, the components of abstract are same. We need an introduction, aims and objectives, methods, results and conclusion. In the introduction, we provide a background information like the context of your work, or why did you choose this topic, why did you conduct this particular research. In aims, you clearly state the aims and objectives of the study. In methods, you describe the methodology or the techniques used for data collection. And in results, you summarize the findings, major outcomes, etc. from your study. And in conclusion, you conclude with your major findings along with its implications, applications or significance of your study. So we'll have a few tips for writing an effective abstract. The abstract should be concise and it should be short or very brief with 50 to 250 or 300 words. It should focus on the essential information. Then comes clarity. The language should be clear. Minimize the use of technical jargons. It should be understandable to the wider audience. Then comes the structure. Focus on the structure. Organize your abstract according to the components described in the earlier slide. Focus on your significant findings. Emphasize your major conclusions. And finally, proofread. Check for grammar, spelling and punctuation errors. This will help to maintain your professionalism, or your abstract will look professional. Here is an example of abstract. Title is The Impact of Climate Change on Biodiversity in Tropical Rainforest. And they have an introduction where you briefly overview the climate change and its effect on ecosystem. Objective is to assess the impact of climate change on biodiversity. Method used was field surveys and data analysis using statistical tools. And results, they have mentioned decrease in species diversity and shift in species distribution. And they have concluded highlighting the need for conservation. So to conclude, writing an abstract is an essential skill for researchers, academicians and students. Learning to craft a compelling abstract can effectively communicate your research findings. So practice and seek feedback from experts, and this will refine your abstract writing skills. This will make your abstract make your abstract stand out in the academic community. So happy abstract writing and thank you. Wish you all the best.